Hi, welcome to the Crafty Manatee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a magic ring in crochet. This is the first video of my Amigurumi Basics series where I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know to create your own amigurumi projects. Amigurumi are these little stuffed animals like this capybara here. This capybara is available on this channel as a free pattern if you'd like to get started working on your first amigurumi project. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a magic ring, which is how most amigurumi projects start. For the capybara, we started at the nose here, so you can see that this is a very tight ring of crochet stitches. To get that tight ring, you have to work your stitches into a magic ring, which is what I'm going to show you today. To start a magic ring, you want to hold your yarn draped over your hands like this and pinch it with your thumb. Next, you're going to wrap the yarn behind 2 fingers and wrap it over like that. I like to pinch that yarn tail with my pinky. It helps just keep it nice and secure. So now we have 2 loops right here. It's crossed over in an X, and we have these 2 loops at the top. We're going to insert your hook under that first loop and hook it around the other one. So we have something looking a little bit like this. And now we're going to reach behind and grab that long yarn tail that we're pinching with our pinky. We're going to pull that yarn tail through, and we have the beginning of our magic loop. So I'm going to show you that one more time because it is a little bit funny to figure out how to hold your yarn at first. So we're going to wrap it around, pinch it with our pinky, grab that second loop, and pull through. Now we have our magic ring. To work single crochet stitches into this ring, we're just going to insert our hook through the ring. We want to make sure that it goes under both of these top yarns, right through the center. And you just work a single crochet stitch like normal. I'm going to do that 6 times. You can do it as many times as your pattern calls for. Once you have all of your single crochet stitches worked into your magic loop, we have to close it up. So we're going to pull that original yarn tail until it cinches like that. So now you can see we have all of these 6 stitches cinched very closely together. Now, to make sure that this ring stays closed as we crochet, I'm going to slip stitch into that first stitch. So I'm just going to insert my hook like this, yarn over, and pull through. So it's not a single crochet stitch, it's a slip stitch into that first stitch of our magic ring. And that is how you make a magic ring for your amigurumi projects. I know that it can be a little bit difficult to figure out how to hold the yarn during that first step, but just take it slow, one step at a time, and it will start to come naturally to you in no time. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a magic ring for your amigurumi projects. Make sure to like this video and follow the channel for more crochet patterns and tutorials. The rest of the amigurumi basic videos will be up soon, so keep an eye out for those. You can find me on Instagram at the Crafty Manatee, and you can also find all of my patterns on Ravelry, Rippler, and Etsy. Thanks for watching. Bye.